Hey guys, welcome back to Mediocre Arts and Crafts. Thanks for joining me for the flip through of our completed cardstock album. This album features the P13 Garden of Books collection, and you can see the different items from the collection that I purchased kind of throughout the videos in the series. This is a multi-part series tutorial, and I'm going to link that down below, and I'll also link it up here. And now we'll go ahead and kind of take you through it. So here's one of the spines. Here's the back page and the other spine. Now, usually I try to keep my mini album covers a plain sheet of cardstock so that I can do some embellishing and layering on top. This one, I really fell in love with this particular sheet of the cardstock, so I went ahead and just left that plain on the front here. And then this is another section of one of the 12 by 12 pieces of cardstock, and this one says, I put the sticker here that says time to relax. And if I can get as much in frame as possible. There we go. So here I took one of the pieces from the 6x6 special edition paper pad, cut it in half to make two doors that open like this. And here I use another one of the 6x6 pages from the regular 6x6 pad. And we have some long weird photo mats here. Now this is another sheet that I really wanted to kind of highlight, so I just put that at the very front of the book, and then I just put one of the stickers on top that says so many books, so little time. This page has two more photo flaps that are photo mats, and these are empty so people can kind of layer up some stuff there. I have a page that has some photo mats that are already kind of matted and glued down. And this album has two top loading pockets. And these top loading pockets contain some of the special edition paper pad cut into tags. Now, in the tutorial, you can see that I had initially thought that I was going to put ribbon or twine, but decided to use these little stickers as pulls. And this album seemed pretty kind of clean to me for the most part, and so I kind of wanted to stick with that theme. So instead of using ribbon or having twine kind of flapping around, I decided to do it this way. Set those go in there. Then we have, next page, this little pocket that I created. It's got two photo mats in it. They have the designer paper on one side, plain cardstock on the other. And I just put a couple of the tags from a couple of the different decorative tag ephemera packs in here, or on here, and then I just layered with a sticker that says escape for a while. Here are some birds, another page that I just left kind of blank. Here's our yellow chair again, which I love, and another top loading pocket with two tags in it. I put down here a sticker that says Bloom with Grace. On this page I have a sticker that says Crazy Plant Lady. And here I made a small waterfall, and in the tutorial I put it together and realized that I didn't put anything on the backs of these pages, so I went ahead and put some cardstock on the backs as well. And then down here I have another couple of tags from the decorative tag collections and a sticker that says write your own story. Next we have the green couch, and then a couple more photo mats that are already adhered. Another page with some photo flaps, and these are some larger photo mats here. And I just put a sticker down here that says perfect moment. And along this last page I put this sticker that says to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. And then for this page, I, instead of cutting it in half and doing 2 doors, I did 1. So I just kind of layered it on the cardstock, and there's a place for a larger photo or ephemera here. And then up here, I just put a sticker that says, it's a great day to read. Oh, it says, it's a good day to read. Sorry. So there it is. If you're interested in the full tutorial of this book or how I just created any of the elements, you can check out the playlist that I'll have linked below. Including this flip through, it is a 6-part series. So watching the rest of it will take approximately a little under an hour. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell if you want to be notified of when I post my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, safety first.